These type of videos are currently trending on all social media. You can see these TikTok accounts having thousands and millions of views by simply creating this video. And the most part is that not only this TikTok or this account has been creating this type of video. A lot of people are creating this type of video and using it as a faceless content, and also they are cashing out big using this AI story content creating. So if you're one who is interested in learning how to create this type of AI video, I got you covered. Well, if this is your first time visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. I go by the name Amos Hustle online technique, and on this channel I teach people how to create videos using AI tools. So if you're one who is interested, just stick with me as I'm about to show you guys how to generate AI storytelling videos. Now, what are the things you need to have before creating this type of AI storytelling? It's all for free. We are creating everything all for free. So we'll be needing our script, and then we need our AI generating image website, and also the website that will generate the video for us. So all the things I will be showing in this video is 100% free to use. Okay, so now let's say we've already gotten our script, which I will show you guys how to get the script of any story you want to tell. Then we got the website to generate some images for us, which is the image we are going to use in turning to videos. So I will be showing you guys step by step guide. Now let's get started. We will be using this website called ChatGPT. So I already structured how I want my prompt to be. So you can see I told this AI you are a professional storyteller, and then I explained everything in details, telling AI to tell a story about a young lady and a young man, that the guy is 28 years and poor and the girl is 25 years and rich. So I just explained everything, and you can see how I explained everything to the AI. Then ChatGPT is now generating a story for me, which is making it very, very easy. So this is not the one you're going to stress yourself cracking up to create a story. So it has created the story and every character and what they said. And so now I'm going to also tell that same ChatGPT to generate me an appropriate image prompt for each scene without leaving anyone out. So the scenes in the video is still going to generate it for me. Okay, so it's now generating it every scene of the video. So just follow me step by step. You'll be able to create this type of AI videos that are currently trending now, and use it for your own faceless channel and cash out big. So the next thing now is to generate this our description. It says give me a detailed prompt description of each character. So we are creating and each character's image. So this is the prompt we are going to use to generate the image of any character in this story. Okay, so we're going to be generating everything. Don't worry, you are going to understand everything once I started creating the image, which is what I'm going to do now. So after we've gotten all these details, now we now move to this website called Whisk. So this is the website we'll be using to generate every image we are going to use in this video. So this is the place we are going to be generating it all for free. Okay, so I've already copied our first character to create a first character here. So after you've copied it, paste it on the website, then you have to choose this 1.1 square. Okay, that's the one we're going to choose. So choose it, and then make sure this nano banana is on. Make sure this nano banana is on. Just go over there, as you can see, and then once you go over there, wait, click on there again, and you see this nano banana is off. So turn this thing you are seeing here, turn it on. Okay, it's going to help you generate a very good image. So once you've already turned it on, then you can now click on over here to generate the image. So just watch closely. If you are not even understanding now, you will soon understand what I've done. Okay, so now I just generated the image, and they misunderstood me. So I have to rewrite it again on my own, because it's AI that is generating it. So this is the picture I got. The one they gave me was two in one, so I did it well. So now after generating it, click on here to download the image. Okay, so once you download the image, it's now inside your phone. We now move to the next step of generating the second character which is Aisha Bello. This is where you understand. I've already copied the second character prompt to generate the girl. Then I paste it in the Whisk website. Then click on the arrow. It's going to generate the girl for us. But you have to bear it in mind that this is AI prompt. Sometimes they make mistake. You see, I told AI to generate me a black girl. Now it is this fair girl. So here's the mistake. It says white lightning brown skin. So we have to rewrite this on our own. So I change it to black skin. You can see it over there. So now after doing that, I now click on go. So this is now the picture Whisk AI regenerated for me after changing the words. So now we've already created all the characters. We now go over here, add images, then click on here that says this plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, then you go over here, tap this place that has image sign, tap on it, and then add our first character, which is this guy Chinedu. Then go over here, add our second character. Just add everybody according to how we generated it with that AI website. So now after that, you now click on this plus sign to add more characters. Okay, this is the place you click to add more characters. So now click on the image to add another character. Just add everything all through. So we are adding every character that we've already generated to this Whisk website by clicking on adding image. Now we are using this. After adding them, we are going to use them to create the scenes that happen in the video. Okay, so don't put here, only in this place that says the scene. That is the place you're going to put. So now after we've already added everything, now we now move on to the ChatGPT. To this is it. You're now going to, first of all, the scene one. You can see a cozy modern cafe in Lagos, Nigeria. A poor but confident young Nigerian man. So let's copy out this one, and then we move back to Whisk website after copying the first one. So you can see there are a lot of scenes here. I think there are a lot of there are up to 7 scenes. So let's copy the first one. We already copied it before. I want to copy it again and make sure that it's already copied. So after copying it, now we'll move to this Whisk website, then paste it. First of all, we have to select the person on the scene. This guy and this girl is the person on the scene. So we tap this thing and then paste this thing, the description, the prompt we corrected from ChatGPT. Now click on here, and then it's going to generate the scene for us. So this is the scene it generated for us. So it's up to you to make a choice. So I choose the second one. This is the second one, is perfect for me. So now click on here and then click on download. Then now go to the second prompt scene. You can see nice conversation. This is the two stylish Nigerian women. So this is Funke and her girlfriend. So on click the first one, click Funke and her girlfriend, Aisha and her girlfriend. That is the one we click, and then paste description because there are only two in the listing. Now click on go. So now it has already generated Aisha and Funke, her girlfriend, a stylish Nigerian woman. So they are having conversation. No, now let's click on download to download it. I've already downloaded it. Now we go to the third option, third scene, which is where Chinedu and Malam Musa is having conversation on the roadside, a quiet Lagos street of sunset. So now we copied it, and then we go to Whisk website again, and then we now unselect these people, this Funke and the Aisha, and then we are going to now unselect these two people. Now select this guy Chinedu and then this guy, this man Malam. You see, because these people are the people in the scene. So now we paste the scene and click on go, and then they are generating the scenes for us. So now boom, here is it. So it's now time to make a choice. So I choose this one instead of this one. So on your own, you can now make a choice by choosing anyone you want. You can see I choose this one instead of this one. Now let me just clear this prompt so that I can see the picture very clear. So I choose this one instead of this one. So now let me click on it and download it. Now click on download. This is the one I choose. I've already downloaded it successfully. So after you've already downloaded this thing, we've already created all the scene. Now we use this website called Grok to generate the video. Once you're on the website, go to the profile side, then click on the settings, which is you are going to see here. After clicking on the settings, you click on here that says behavior. Now click on the behavior and then click on this thing, unclick it, because if you leave it like this, once you're going to create the video, once you put the picture, it automatically create the video without you putting the prompt. But if you unclick it, it will now wait for you. So now you are now going to move to the main web page. So by now you are in the Grok side. Once you're in the Grok side, you now need to tap on here. Watch closely. This is the place you now need to tap on this side. Make sure everything is in the right side. This is the image. Tap on this image, put it in the video side. After you've already put it in the video side, now go over here, that appointed arrow, click on upload file. Once you click on upload file, then select the image you want to use. Okay, so we are selecting our first scene. Our first scene is Chinedu and Aisha. This is it. Then we now click on it and then paste our, after we've already clicked on it, it will now appear like this. So now paste our description, our prompt, so our script. So now I will go back to ChatGPT as you are seeing here. Then I already copied our prompt, so I now paste it here. First of all, when you are doing it, you now make sure you explain to ChatGPT each one. Let's say Aisha will first start the conversation. Then make sure that you are telling ChatGPT that the woman on red or the woman on purple is Aisha and is saying this. So I made a mistake because after typing all the conversation all together, with hope that this Grok will make everything together, then it was misbehaving. So I have to do it one by one. The first person that started the conversation was Aisha, so I just write Aisha. You can see now Aisha is checking her phone, saying, Chinedu, why do you always dress like this? So now instead of saying Aisha is, now explain to ChatGPT who Aisha is. If Aisha is this girl, tell ChatGPT Aisha is the girl on the left or the right side, telling the clothes that the girl wears, if it's purple or red, so that this Grok will now understand. That is the way I did it, so that the Grok will now understand the girl. You can see this is it after doing it. So I explained to the Grok and let the Grok understand. Now I already click on there to download it. Okay, here click on it and download the video, and then you'll be doing it here clip by clip. That is how you can be able to generate it in a halfway cut way. Then after you've already done this one, you now have to clear this one, and then just click on redo over here that says redo, so that you can do it multiple times. If not, you're free, this thing will finish. So now click on redo and then paste Chinedu's own. You can see I explained it to the Grok that Chinedu is the young man. Okay, so this is what Chinedu smiles calmly, clothes don't define a woman, Aisha his heart does. So the guy was talking to Aisha now. So you see, this is one after the other conversation. So you'll be doing it one after the other. After Chinedu has done his own, then you click on redo. Now this is Aisha's turn. I pasted Aisha own. Aisha is the lady on purple. Then laughs softly, hearts, saying, you can see. So everything is one after the other. Now this is Aisha and her girlfriend. Is the one I'm doing now. Now I say Funke is the lady. Now after explaining, just explain to Grok who is talking first. I hope you understand. This is how you will now generate all these short clip, very small. So after each scene you do, you can now upload another video. But once that video each scene you do, you cannot upload another image like this one. Each scene you are doing, make sure you are clicking on redo. But if that scene is already over, you can now upload another one, upload another image by clicking on the upload file option. But if the scene is still long, by like they are still having conversation, you'll be clicking on redo and just be pasting the script of what they're saying in here. Make sure you're explaining to Grok the person that you want him or her to talk. Okay, because they are only doing 6 seconds video. That is the free option. If not, if you want to go to the paid option, you can do more than 6 seconds, I mean to say. So that is it. Now this is the this thing outcome. Aisha, Funke is talking to Aisha, you can see. So that is it. Now we move to the next option by creating. This is the images and the videos I've already generated, you can see. So I'm now compiling it using my Youcut app. I'm now editing, joining everything together, all the short clip, and now this is the outcome of the video. So you can see everything is good. It's not easy to create it all together like this, but you have to do it since you are using the free option. You cut just all this short clip, add it all together using your Youcut app or CapCut editing app. So that is how I did it. This is the outcome of the video, you can see.
Chinedu, why do you always dress like this? Lagos is not the village.
Clothes don't define a man, Aisha. His heart does.
Love doesn't pay bills, Chinedu.
Not yet, but it will. Aisha, please, just believe me.
Aisha, you talk about him every day. Why pretending you don't care?
Funke, the guy is broke. My father will never agree. What will people say?
Since when did you start dating people? Well, no problem is...
Kai Chinedu, why chase a star so far from your sky? Because I believe my sky will grow, Malam. I love her. Then work harder than love. Success speaks louder.
Okay, Baba Musa, I will do as you said.
Young man, what do you do for a living? I'm building a tech solution for local traders, sir. Dreams.
Chinedu, maybe you should go.
Aisha, that's not on TV. TradeLink Africa, it's Chinedu. What?
What?
See, it's good news about Chinedu. He's doing big things with TradeLink Africa.
Aisha, I didn't become this to prove anything. Except that love needs patience.
I was blind. You never looked down on me, even when I did to you.
The bill has been settled anonymously.
Who did this? It was me. You are a man of honor.
From today, I don't see your past. I see our future.
And I promise, my love, to always rise with you. Love wins!
See you? Sometimes the richest love starts poor.
So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. You have seen all the works being done. If you got some value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the notification bell. Also like this video. So if you want me to make more of this video, don't forget to type in the comment section, do more of free story videos, and then I can do it. Okay, so please don't forget, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, you can share with your friends. Till I see you guys in my next video. Peace out and one love.